Yeah, that's my weakness. Yeah. Your girl doesn't know how to swim.
Because I don't want to be going in and rescuing you.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
That's Agape Park. We're going for a walk. We have to maintain social distance. And I like the view. How are you, Judy?
Good day.
You look on point?
Yeah.
I love it. 9,000. 9,000?
1,000 steps around the Agape Park.
Yeah, that's really good. I like the view. Why do you like it? Why do you like to exercise here?
Because it's just around the water.
Yeah.
It's very scenic.
Yeah. So this is like a V-block kind of thing. Pandemic, we still exercise. Doesn't stop us, you know?
That's true.
Wow. This reminds me from Africa. Like
It
the
does.
river. The sewage. Oh my god. Yeah. That's really nice. Ooh, the city. I've been in the city for like 6 months. Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be hot. I've got this big thing. Because the ones done it now.
That's true. Oh, oh, what a blessing to be alive. Welcome to the new chapter of my life. Fearfully and wonderfully made. Challenges are there, but I can get up, rise up like a mighty daughter of the Most High Lord. And life is simply for living and cherish every moment. The beautiful breeze, appreciating creation is worth it for a lifetime. Timeless memories to embrace and to create by the grace of the Lord. How do you feel? You just reached 4K now. I like the view. The view is amazing. Yes, guys. Hey, it's back. What's an Yes, okay. Yep. About to get cake from my girl Judy. Yeah, just having a coffee. Actually, to have something to, social distancing. That bottle is nice. Oh, knowledge is power. It is a blessing to have access to internet, Wi-Fi, as we are walking and sharing knowledge, life experiences, and we're like, girl, we don't know what the babies of black swans are called, and we just tapped to Dr. Google and they are called cyanids. It is something that you can learn, that no matter in what situation you are, you can access to the internet and increase your knowledge base. Food for thought. We're actually getting excuse to to walk. You see the view? It's amazing. Judy! This is where we were before. They play tennis there. I don't know. So guys, almost finishing the walk. You see that area? That's where we walked. What a beautiful way to end the day. Yeah, I like the view. It's really nice. And also, thanks to the treat. I appreciate it. Yes. Alright, guys, we just finish walking 5K, right? 9,000 steps all the way there. It's really good. And girl, you know, yeah. So finish right now. So we'll see you until next time. Bye-bye. Powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. Yeah. Yeah, but
the sinus.
the smiles and sinus are just
Sinus. Or, you know, frolicking in the park.
in the park. I'll use that. I'll use that. Especially narration. This one is easier. I can do narration.
Yeah, with the sinus, you know. Just really, this is thing just when
It's language. Yeah.
they had the eggs.
Ooh, girl, is this where we were?
Yeah.
I think I like this side. It's nice.
Yeah. At least you can see the city.
Hey, almost halfway. We got the drinks to make up. Not more.
So good to be out on